Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an American Mahjong set, and very, very popular. This is like one of the hottest games, really sweeping everywhere right now. 166 white tiles in this set. There with a nice blue printed fabric you can see here. It's really nice quality. I'm surprised with the quality. I'm pretty impressed so far. Came quite a bit of tile here, quite heavy, like 7 pounds here. There's a lot of stuff here. Has all the accessories, comes with the pushers, the rack, some dice, all the accessories you would expect, and 166 tiles, as well as a few extras. So let's just open it up real quick. It's going to show you exactly what's in this kit here, and I'm very, very happy with what I see. Now, it was packed very, very well. Nothing was damaged. Now, when you first get it, you're going to take it apart, and this is all the pushers are in here, and they're in like a little bubble container, which is actually really nice. We'll take a look at that in a minute. And also was in here was some extra tiles. Okay. Comes with some dice. I'm not sure what this is all about here. I'm not really sure what that is, but it came with that. And it comes with these little coins. Some people play with money. You can play with this instead. Whoever gets runs out at the end, they're out. Things like that. There's all kinds of rules, and a lot of Mahjong people absolutely love this game, so it's really, really popular. But if you're in this the market for looking for a beginner set, I'm going to recommend this because it has pretty much everything you need to get going, from a carrying case to the racks to the pushers to the actual tiles themselves. So let's take a look in here as well. And it does come with a guide to give you an idea of how to use it, tell you about the jokers, tell you about the game, the premise behind the game, the dots and the BAMs and all that kind of stuff. I'm still learning myself, so I'm actually in training. This is why I got this, so I can continue learning how to play. Now, it does come in a case. This holds the pushers. You can wrap the pushers in here after you're done. And inside here is where you have all of your tiles are wrapped in here, and everything came really, really good. So I was pretty impressed with that. Nothing was damaged, which is actually a really good thing. So let's take everything out of the package. I want to show you how it comes. So this is how it comes. These are the tiles. 166 tiles are right here. They all right here. Here are the pushes. Here are the extra tiles and the dice. Everything that came in the kit's right here. Now, it comes with 4 different pushers. Let me just take everything out of the package. I'm going to show you exactly how I got it. Just like this here, and I think honestly for a beginner set, it's really, really nice quality. Some of these can go for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This is a great value for this one here, so I think it's really, really well worth it. So this is how they come. So they all come shrink wrapped, and these tiles don't have decals on them. These are all engraved tiles. Some of them are decals. These are not decals. These cases are hard plastic, so you can put them back in the cases after, so that's really good as well. These are all shrink wrapped. You have to break these open and get the opened up. There's soap, and there's jokers, and there's BAMs, and I'm still learning. I'm still learning the whole game, but it's really kind of cool. So I have everything here, so it's 166 total, and they're quite heavy. Now, this is the average size. This is about 1.2 inches. This is the standard size. I wasn't sure if these are too small. People have larger ones and there's smaller ones, but this is some extra blank ones here. They give some extra jokers in case you lose them. But this is the standard size right here. You can see it is quite fine. Let me just hope I can get a zoom in that. There you can see the joker right there. Upside down, sorry about that. So this is the standard size. This is about 1.2 inches. That's how it comes across. Let me get my measure out and just give you the millimeters just to show you here real quick. Zero this out. So this is approximately exactly 29 millimeters. Right there, you can see that. 29 millimeters by 22 millimeters, and the thickness is 12 millimeters. So this is the standard size. You can get larger ones, smaller ones. You get them in different colors, all kinds of fun stuff. So this is how this comes, and this is good. You know what? I think it's too big. It's gonna be very difficult to work with sometimes because you got to place them on the thing. You got to mix them all up, and they're really hard to deal with. So that's how that works. So here are all the tiles. Really, really happy. Excellent quality. Nothing was damaged. Fantastic. So that goes like that. Let's put this out of the way. Now, let's take a look at the pushers real quick. There's 4 different colors that come in the kit. Let me show you the colors real quick. This is yellow. Here is the yellow one here. Okay. We'll just take one out. And you can see how the pushers, they come with the yellow. This is like an aqua green, a pink, and a blue. So they have all the different colors that come with it. We'll just take a look at one right now so I can show you how that looks. Put that to the side. So here is the actual pusher itself. Okay, so when you're playing the game, you set all your tiles up, you make your walls. I'm learning. This is really good for me about walls, right? You build your walls, you pass them all around, all that kind of stuff. And I like this is a good size tile to do that. You know, when you're working with them, pass, west, up, down, over, under, all this kind of cool stuff. But this is how this works. So you put your tiles here. Okay, then when you make your when you call a card or you call a tile, you place them here, so all that works perfectly. You can set up your configuration with your card, and then when you have your wall, let me just show you here real quickly. And you have your tiles all set up, and you pick your 19, and you want to push your wall out. This really works really well. Look at that. How nice that action worked with that wall. That is perfect. It doesn't move on this container, on this here. On a surface that doesn't have a little mat on it, it might be slippery. I would suggest maybe putting this little on the bottom of this here, maybe a little styrofoam or something to hold it down. Other than that, made very well. Quite good quality acrylic, not junky at all. Honestly, this should last you quite a long time. But that is one of the biggest things people have is that wall movement. And I'm going to show you here one more time. No problem, you can see here. Easy breezy, I love it. It works fantastic. Even if it's over here, doesn't matter. Move that wall. I love it. All right, guys, that's what I have. A quick review, show you about this Mahjong set. I actually love it. It's fantastic. It's going to be a great game. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to make some future videos and let you know how I like playing it and just the overall construction of it, but it's really high quality. You're going to be very, very happy. I am, and I think it's a great value. So go ahead and pick it up. If you enjoyed this video and this review, don't forget to follow, like, and share. I think this is a fantastic game. It's going viral. There's cruises. There's all kinds of just nuts. All ages. No longer is for the older people. It's for young people, kids. Everyone's playing Mahjong. It's absolutely nuts. And this is a great beginner kit for the price. Fantastic. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to play. I hope you play as well. I think you're going to really, really enjoy it. And thanks for watching. And if you have any other questions or any comments, follow along. And for shopping experience, let me know. Follow the channel. Make it a great day and keep Mahjonging.